think everybody is staying fit and healthy in the home. Listen to your parents. Don't trouble your parents. I think you are doing your work in time. Complete your things. Complete your work, homework, classwork. Don't think that teacher did not say this work, so we should not do. You can do your work, whatever its teacher is saying in time, and little extra work like basic learning, tables reading, lesson reading. Also you can do, children. Okay? Don't divert yourself. Why? Because if we were there in the class, we all used to be in the class with your classmates, with the teacher, with the books. But now you are there in your home. You have many diversions like TV, playing, yes, games and other things also. So don't divert yourself. Be with your study. So these online classes are little new to you. So you need to concentrate more in your class. Okay? So try to understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask your parents, or you can, if you read it again and again, also you can clarify, you can get your clarification in the doubts also. Okay? And listen to the classes. After coming back to the class, you may have tests and you may have assignments also. Okay? So let us start with our class. I think you know what is the subject we are dealing with. The subject we are dealing with is, yes. So in yesterday's class, we have learned about my body. Yes, in my body, what are the parts you have? What are the two parts we have learned yesterday? Internal. This is a recap. Once I wanted to say the recap, the information what we have learned yesterday. So I am recapping the information again. So you listen to it. Then we will start with the today's class. So this is internal parts, and you have external parts also. The parts which are inside our body are called internal parts, which we cannot see. The parts which are outside our body, parts which we can see, are called external parts. So in internal parts we have brain. The parts which we have discussed yesterday, the internal parts are brain, heart, lungs and kidneys. Okay? Yes? I think you are ready with your term book. Yes, here I have written the things whatever you require for this today's class. So unit term book, you have to read, you have to keep the finger where teacher is reading, and wherever you have little hard word, you underline it and you practice it after this class. Okay? Now see, so internal parts we have discussed yesterday about our brain, heart, lungs and kidney. So brain is the most important part in our body. Yes. So it is covered by a hard part called skull. Yes. So this functions all the time. Yes. Without brain, no work will be done. Okay. And next one is heart. Heart is also the major part, the important part, which beats all the time. Yes, and it is covered by rib cage. Rib cage means what? The bones part covers the heart. Okay, yesterday I have shown you the bones part which covers the heart is rib cage, which is having 12 pairs. One pair means how much? One pair means 2. If you have any 2 things, we will say it as one pair. Okay, so same like that, you will have 12 pairs of bones which covers the heart. And it is called the pumping house of the body. It pumps the blood to all our body parts. Okay. The next part is lungs, which deals with the respiratory system. Respiratory system in the sense breathing. Okay. The lungs part will help us in breathing through the windpipe. Windpipe in the sense the throat part, or the pipe we have, no, that is called windpipe, and the outer part we see is nose. So from the nose through the windpipe, the breathing, the air will go inside. The inside, whatever we are taking is oxygen. The air what we are leaving out is called carbon dioxide. So these lungs are deals with the breathing part. And we have two lungs. One is right side and one is to the left side. Okay. Then kidneys. The next part is kidneys. Kidneys are also, we have 2. It will be back side of the spinal cord. Back side of the spinal cord, either one to the right, one to the left. And this will help us in purification of blood and the waste materials. Whatever we eat, whatever we drink, it helps in the purifying. Okay? This kidneys helps in the purification. Okay? Now let us move into today's class. Okay? Today we are going to read. Today we are going to learn about stomach, liver, bones, muscles. Okay, children, these are also comes under internal parts only. Okay, so the internal parts which we have completed yesterday, just now we have done recap. The internal parts which we are going to learn today are stomach, liver, bones and muscles. I think everybody you are ready with your term book. Let us start now. Yes. So the first part we are going to start today is stomach. Okay. Now everybody take your term book. Keep the finger where I am reading, and wherever you find a new word or if it is hard, you can underline and you can practice. Okay. Now keep the finger and listen, children, where I am reading. Stomach. It is a J-shaped bag. See, you can see the picture to the beside of your paragraph. See how it is. The stomach is in which shape? It is like a J they are saying. Say, it is like J shape. The food we eat goes into the stomach. Yes, whatever the food we are eating, it will go from our mouth to the stomach. It helps in the digestion of food. Now what work stomach will do? Stomach will help us in the digestion. Digestion in the sense, whatever the food we will eat, we will little break and we will eat. No, we will not make completely the smaller pieces. So whatever we eat, it will go into our stomach, and there the food is more done the breaks, and that food will be done as digestion. Okay, it stores food and breaks it down into smaller parts. So little chewing we will do and we will eat. After going into the stomach, it will do more soft food and it will break the food into smaller pieces, and it will send the vitamins and the proteins or lead, whatever we will get, it will send to the other parts. It takes around 4 hours to digest the food. So what stomach will do? See, this stomach, what it will do, this stomach? This stomach helps us in the digestion. Okay, whatever we will eat the food from the mouth, it will go into this stomach. See, this stomach is in which shape? It is in J shape, no? So it helps us in digestion. This stomach, after going food into the stomach, it will makes the food into smaller parts and it will do the digestion. Okay, and this digestion process takes 4 hours it seems. After eating, after 4 hours, it will take this 4 hours as the digestion time. Okay, now about liver. See, liver, so this liver part they did not give you any information, but I just want to give you little information about the liver. So this liver helps you to purify the blood which sends from the heart. Okay, and from the small intestine also. Small intestine in the sense, whatever you will eat here in the stomach, it will go into small intestine. Okay, purifies the blood into the body which comes and sends back from the heart. So whatever the blood we will get from the heart, it will purify. The blood, whatever we will get from the heart, it will go into the liver, and here it will do the purification. Okay, then it will send back again to the heart. And one more thing also it will do. What is it? This liver will produce a juice called bile. It will produce a juice called bile. This juice will help you. This juice will help to in the digestion of the food. Okay, whatever the juice the liver produces, this juice will be sent to the small intestine. Again in the small intestine, the digestion part will be done. Okay, so this is the little information I wanted to give about liver. Now we'll move on to bones. Okay, I think everybody knows about bones. Why? Because wherever we touch the hard part in our body is called bone. The topmost part of the head to our toes, we have 206 bones. Okay, 206 bones we have. Okay, now keep the finger and listen. We have many bones in our body. Yes, we have many bones. Bones are hard and strong. Yes, we know this, no? Bones will be very hard. See, we have nails. Fingers we have, in this we have bones. Can you break this finger? No, why? Because they are very hard, they are very strong. Okay, they are inside the skin and gives the shape to the body. Yes, they protect the internal organs. Bones help us to hold things. So what these bones will do? They will give shape to the body. See this. Here they are inside the skin. This bone will be there inside the skin. Okay. Inside the skin you have bones. See, the bone is giving me here finger shape. Here it is giving me the finger shape, and here it is giving me complete the hand shape. Okay. According to the organ, the bones inside our body gives shape to the body. Okay. And they will protect us, they will protect the internal organs like heart, stomach, liver. These bones will protect the internal organs also from any danger or harm. Okay. They also help us in eating, play, run, bend and sit. Yes, because of the bones only we can hold the things. Chalk piece, duster, food, apple, pencil, books, anything because of the bones. We are walking, running, sitting, dancing, everything with the help of the bones only. So how we should take care of the bones? See, we must drink milk daily to keep our bones strong and healthy. So every organ in the body is very important. So we should take care of our organs. So now to take care of your bones, you have to drink milk daily, so that the calcium, whatever it is present in the milk, makes your bones strong and healthy. Okay, children. So from today, everybody is going to drink milk, milk, curd, milk products, whatever you have, you will get. You should not miss them. You have to drink them. You have to eat them. Okay, children. Now we are finished about the bones. Let us move to the muscles, the last topic of today's class. Okay? Yes. Now see, muscles. Muscles are connected to our bones. Just now we have learned that inside the skin bones are there. Yes, muscles are connected to our bones. They lie below the skin. Yes, below the skin we have muscles. Below the muscles we have bones. Okay. Muscles and bones together help us in body movement, such as walking, running and eating. Our heart and stomach are made up of muscles. So what these muscles are saying? See, muscles means what? Here they have given you the picture. See the left side of the body, whatever they have given, it is called the skeleton. If you have complete bone part, we will say it as skeleton. So these are the bones. Here we don't have muscles. If you see the other side, the right side, the other right side part is completely covered with the muscles. Okay, so these muscles are soft. They help us in these bones and muscles together will help us in the movement of a body, like moving, running, sleeping, bending, writing, eating. So all these movements will be done with the help of muscles and bones. Okay, so where these muscles will be? These muscles will be attached to the bones. So whatever the bones we have to decide. So to these bones, muscles will be attached. To that muscles, again skin will be covered. Okay children, now everybody understood no? The topics we have discussed today are stomach, liver, bones and muscles. Stomach will help us in digestion. Yes, and it will take 4 hours time for the digestion of the food what you eat one time. Okay, then liver purifies the blood, whatever it will get from the heart and sends back to the heart. And it produces a juice called the bile, which helps the stomach, which helps the food to digest. Bones are of 206 from the top part to the bottom part. We have 206 bones, and bones are very strong, and the bones will give the shape to the body. Okay, if the bones are there on the head, so it will give the shape of the head. If it is a finger, it gives the shape of the finger. If it is hand, it gives the shape of the hand. If it is there in the leg, it gives the shape of the leg. Yes, according to the shape, according to the bone, we will get the shape. Okay, then we have muscles. Now muscles are soft parts, which is attached, to the bones. Okay children, till here we have completed all the internal parts. In the yesterday's class, brain, heart, lungs, kidneys. In today's class, stomach, liver, bones and muscles. So till here we have completed all the internal parts. So till here the internal part is completed. So you have to read. Daily you do the lesson reading children. Okay. So after these internal parts, you have a checkpoint here. You can check in your book. Yes. See checkpoint. What is a checkpoint? Choose the correct option. Yes. Here the questions are of choose the correct answer. See here they have given 3 questions. So these 3 questions just now you have listened the lesson. You need to answer it in your term book itself. So today's your homework is to do page number 193 checkpoint in term book itself. Okay children, once I'll read the question, you can try to answer. Okay, our heart pumps blood or water to all the body parts. It will supply blood or water. Water tank is there or blood pumping is there in our body? Yes. So I think everybody can guess. So our heart deals with the blood pumping. Okay. We breathe in air through our kidneys or lungs. Breathing, respiratory work will be done by kidneys or lungs? Yes, it is done by the lungs. Kidneys helps us to remove fat or waste from our body. It removes the fat or the waste? Yes, it removes the waste. So you can do these 3 questions as your homework in your term book. The next one we have external organs. So we will read about